In this video, you will learn some basic searching techniques for using databases to find journal articles. Starting from the library homepage, we will click on All Databases. In a new tab, a page populates with many different databases listed in alphabetical order. If you know the name of a specific database you want to use, you can scroll down the list and find it. Or you can jump to that letter in the alphabet using this top menu. If you need a suggestion of which database to use, you can use the subject's menu bar for suggestions based on the subject you might be searching. The subject menu bar includes most broad and specific program offerings at Anderson University. Remember, you are not limited to the database suggestions for your enrolled program. Rather, these suggestions are more likely to turn up results for relevant topics. As an example, you can search for accounting articles in a biblical studies database, but you are just as unlikely to get the same quality and quantity of those results than if you search for accounting articles in a business database. Some topics are multidisciplinary, however, so you might end up searching for the same thing in 2 or more databases. One example of this might be your topic is minority-owned businesses. You might find some interesting articles with a business perspective in a business database, and some interesting articles with a sociological perspective in a sociology database, both of which might be beneficial for your assignment. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use a general database, Academic Search Complete. You can start by entering a term in the search box and clicking Search, but before you do, you may choose to add some limitations in the Search Options menu below. These same limiters are available once you have built a result list, so you can choose to do it at the time as well. I'm going to start with a very general search for after-school programs. This search is returning too many results for me to start browsing, but I have a couple ideas on how to focus this result list. I want to click on the Advanced Search button to modify my list. You'll notice it saves my previous search. First, I want to change the All Fields option to Subject Terms. That will tell the database only to return results that have been cataloged as being about after-school programs as a main subject of each article in the list. Good, the result list is showing me I'm getting a little bit closer. What I want to do now is modify my search to add a second term. What might be interesting to my research? What will tie it together? Maybe I'm interested in seeing how income affects after-school programming. Okay, this is looking good now. I feel like I have a manageable result list, but I want to refine my searches further. On the top of the screen are the options to refine the results. I can limit the full text only articles. This means that articles in the results will have full text available for me to read, save, or print right away. I can also limit to peer-reviewed articles. This means that the articles have been reviewed by experts. If I'm looking for a more recent article, I can limit by date range. Now I can start browsing. To do that, I click on the title of the article. This takes me to the record page with more information, usually including an abstract along with the source information. Clicking on the Access Options drop-down will give me options to access the articles, where I can save or read the article. I can also see in the top right corner of the record page an icon to share the article through email or create a permalink. This is so I can find it easily later, either in my notes or email. If you want to cite the article, you can use the built-in citation generator. Multiple writing styles are included here, and you may need to adjust some capitalization, but these are a good start to copy and paste into your notes to get a jump on your references page. Going back to my results, let me show you quickly what you can do if you don't want to limit the full-text articles. A citation without the attached article can still be helpful for your research. You may read the abstract and realize there's an article that you need. If so, you will want to click on the Access Options drop-down. You will see that it will say Check Full Text. Click on Check Full Text, and it will search across databases in all of AU's databases to see if we found this article. If it was found in another database, you can hop to that database easily and get right to the article. In this case, it was not. If not, you will see a big button that says Get via Interlibrary Loan. Clicking on this button will open up the Iliad client. Simply log in with your IOL account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Then submit the request for the article to be delivered to you. There is no cost for AU students to use this service.